All right, so their bus is here. There's a Fairfax connector right here because it's 463, and we're gonna be waiting for 461 because 466 is retired. We can't round 461 we're just gonna be on 461. Okay, Dad, I need a favor. We've done a really good job going to North Carolina on the airplane. What we're gonna do in December is go to Salisbury for Christmas. And this is Black Friday today, and we went to North Carolina. Remember, Dad?
I'm gonna have to go over to
Where?
catch 2B.
Oh, well, I wonder, but it's fine.
Because it says no service scheduled.
Oh, yeah, no worries. Okay, we're gonna go on to Fairfax Mall. We're gonna go towards Fairfax Mall and catch it.